Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 2,361 square meters along National Highway. Commercial lot beside Welltech Motors. Located in Poblacion, Ubay, Bohol. So, it has a wide frontage, more or less 50 meters wide frontage. It's a clean title. And this is the property, guys. Actually, guys, it has already so many informal settlers in the property, but as per the agreement of the owner, they have already a relocation site to transfer if ever someone is buying the property. So, pag may bibili, may relocation site na ang mga tao dito. So, wala nang problema. So, ideal talaga ng mga business industry o development. So, ito ang kagandahan nito, guys. Wide frontage. Super wide frontage. And all are flat terrain. So, no problem with the property. And it's really a clean title. See. Good for hotel development or other business development o commercial. So, very nice. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, I repeat, 2,361 square meters with a clean title for 30 million pesos. Thank you.